Hello friends, welcome back. How are you all? Friends, let's do the reading of your partner and third party. So, friends, today is a new moon. The new moon, today the energy is very heavy since the new moon is in the Aries sign. So, Aries is a sign of Mars. So, the Mars energy is very fiery and very heavy and very and some persons can be very angry, or they can feel very angry for no reason. Even you can feel very angry for no reason. I feel this way. At present, your person is completely in two of minds. Two of wands means person is thinking a lot. They are not able to make a decision what to do. They are secretly planning something. So actually, page of a source, a person is thinking of some kind of communication. I don't know, with you or someone else. I feel they want to communicate with you, but they don't know how to communicate, because see, this person don't know what is lying ahead of that person. They don't know that this door is open for them and they have to enter this door. They don't know, because they're completely clueless about anything about their life. They don't know what decision they should make. Actually, they don't have that clarity at present that what decision they should make it. And as a moon card is coming, some illusions or some secrets of your persons are definitely there, and those secrets will definitely come out from your person's side. Moon is sometimes they create illusions also. Maybe you, maybe they have created that illusion about themselves, that they are happy, or they are having a good married life, or if they are not married, they are having a good life with their partner, or with the another person. This kind of illusion is also being created, especially by a person. And the moon card na, this is only of hidden secrets also. So definitely I feel some secrets or some kind of secret of a person, or that illusion that person has created, will come in front of you, but in a small manner, not in a big manner, but in a small manner. Not everything is going to be illuminated in front of you, but little big things about your person is going to be illuminated in front of you. Yeah, a person is actually thinking of taking action, but then but the person they are working at present, the workplace they are working at, those people are not allowing your person to take action, because they are continuously guiding your person, or they are you can say mentors, kind of that. So those people don't allow your person to take any action and move towards you, because even they feel insecure. They feel if this person will go towards you, then they will not concentrate more on them or their family life. They can be even their family members. They have this kind of insecurity that if this person move towards you, they will be completely into you and they will not concentrate on them. Because of that, the hidden motives of this third party or third person, their family members or their friends, or the third party, they don't want this person to move towards you. This person wants to charge towards you. They want to take some action. They want to communicate with you, but this third persons are not allowing them, or their family is not allowing them. I can feel that this person's third, whomever they are consulting, those people are not advising this person very well. They are not advising this person how to move, and they are completely misguiding this person. And these persons are working very hard to misguide your person. I can say that. Yeah, at present even you must be having darkest fear, because in this moon, you can see the moon cycles. When the new moon comes now, the biggest fears of us comes on the surface. Maybe you may be having very big fears that may come out today or tomorrow. You feel like something is wrong, or this person is never going to come in my life, or what's going to happen in future, whether this person loves me or not. This kind of fear is going to come to you, I feel. So even this kind of fear can come to your person also, or a third party also. Or if they, even third party is having fears whether your person will leave them, or this nine number card is coming, so very fiery energy. So maybe some persons can get angry because of this fear also. Your anger may come out, but you have to heal these issues of yours. This is your issue. God is telling this is your issue. If you are having anger issue at present, this is your issue and you have to heal this issue. Then only you can blossom something. You can build your world, you can can say that. If we have to overcome all your negativity, all your low vibrational energies that are fear, anger, jealousy, whatever you have to heal those issues all. Then only you can come into a in a good position. Your world will be built up. This is a 20 numbers card, also a judgment card. Then only the universe will make a judgment about you. You have to overcome all this of your insecurities and your darkest fears, your shadow. You have to do shadow work. Those who are doing inner work, that's good, but those who are, God will test you again and again, that whether you have actually worked on yourself, or you're just showing, yeah, I have overcome my fears, but still you have not overcome your fears. I can see that you have to overcome your fears. Then only you can spread the wings, and then only a person will be able to free themselves from the third party and will be able to take an action and move towards you. Getting me? You have to, this cards are completely telling me that you have to work on your shadow side. You have to work on your issues that are that the universe is trying to show you. This new moon and full moon, when they comes and they try to show us what are the deepest fears of us, and what is the negative energy in us, or what are our low vibration energy, we are still in that. We have to work on that. So universe is trying to show you all those things. So work on all those issues of yours. Then only you will come out of all these things, and your partner will come out of the third party. You need to work very hard, friends. Universe is telling you, though you are working hard, I know, but your universe is telling you to work hard more. Yeah, still see your person. Oh God, still the negative energy is very, very strong in your person's chart. Even in your chart, I feel like some negative energy is surrounding you. Your person will whenever a person thinks of walking out of a third party, now there is a lot of arguments in your person's life, or you can at the home, or you can say anyone within third party, or your person in the family of their person. Anyone, they can have an argument with any one of them, because the moon, whenever new moon comes, the majority of the people have fights on the new moon day. So I feel that your person may be having a fight today or some with someone, or a argument, with a big argument with someone, where maybe the family persons, their parents, or their friends, or the third party they are involved in. I feel they can have a major issue, a major fight, because of this moon energies, because on this, see, the devil energy is so strong, negative energy is so prevalent on your person right now. So this moon energy can affect your person's life, and both of you need to keep strength. This person needs to keep a lot of strength. Your person needs to keep a lot of strength. Someone needs to handle them properly. Maybe someone who is very close can help them, but they are not guiding them properly. Though they are taking care of them, but they are not guiding this family or friends, they are not guiding your person properly. Your person needs to heal a lot, because they are healing at present, but they need healing. When you will heal yourself, your person will also get healing. Send those healing energies to your person, so that they can heal the issues also. Oh friends, you got some guidance about today's moon energy, and please do your inner work properly. Thanks for watching.